are we doing in this?
Okay, so we're doing
Tell me more.
We're doing the gender wives' tales. So
We're telling a tale?
No, so can you be normal?
I'll try.
Okay, so basically we're gonna go through all the gender wives' tales and calendars and see what they predict that we're having. Are you ready?
Yes.
First, do you want to say, like, I mean, we already know what we're having, but do you want to say what you thought it was from the beginning?
I didn't have any.
You didn't think anything?
No.
You never had any inkling?
No, I was exactly split 50-50.
Yeah, I started out thinking maybe it was gonna be a girl, but then I switched and thought there's no way. I just know it's a boy. And so the whole time before we found out, my intuition said boy mom. So first we'll do cravings. If you crave sweet or savory.
Oh, you were definitely craving, in the beginning, only savory. You had no sweets.
I feel like even still savory. Like all I want is vinegar, pickles.
Yeah, you had
spicy hot Cheetos.
Craved In-N-Out burger for many days in a row. You called me. I'm at work and I'm fixing guitar and it's like an emergency. You're like, call me.
Well, you didn't answer.
I think
your phone was off.
I think that you, there's something wrong, and I call her and she's like, you need to figure out. And she's telling me to like ask like my business associates where I can get the best handmade tortillas in town.
Yeah, they need to be like homemade tortillas. And when I lived in the Bay Area, we had them, like everybody made them. You knew the best spots to get those like fresh abuelita tortillas.
Yeah, well, I'm
and out
like
here, I don't know anybody.
I'm like wiring a guitar, and she's like, "We'll figure it out now."
I'm only craving savory, which means boy. I don't think I've had any sweet cravings besides like a couple nights I've been like, I want ice cream. But
well, you did go to town at Five Below the other day in the candy section, and
yeah,
I know
but I got
that
sour
wasn't
candy. Okay, heartburn. Have I complained a lot about heartburn?
Yes, all day, every day.
If you have a lot is girl, if you don't have that much is boy, so that's one for girl.
Okay.
Morning sickness.
You didn't really have that much. You didn't.
Well, I didn't throw up, but I was on medication for nausea, so it's hard to say, but I felt very nauseous.
So you had general pregnancy sickness, but I don't know that you had specific.
General pregnancy sickness, that was
I didn't know that you had
morning
specific
sickness.
morning sickness.
Well, morning sickness doesn't just mean morning. It can be any time of day.
Then why isn't it called any time of day
Exactly.
sickness?
That's what all the women want to know.
Is nighttime sickness included in
Yeah.
morning time sickness?
It's nausea. Was I nauseous? Yes or no?
Yeah, like you could barely eat sometimes.
Yeah, so I had morning sickness. I was so nauseous I couldn't eat anything. Next is hair. Is my hair brittle and dry or shiny and healthy?
I feel like it's been healthier.
Okay, well don't look at my extensions. Look at my real hair.
Well, they're blended in so well. How could I know?
At Jess Wilson hair? Yeah, my hair's grown a ton.
I'd say your hair's grown, yeah.
Healthier and shinier?
Yeah.
That's boy.
Okay.
Brittle and dry is girl. Next is emotions. Have I been moodier or more chill and happy?
Way moodier.
Do you think so?
Yes.
See, I feel like I've been so happy. Like even right now, I'm in a great mood.
Yeah, but that's
snap
right
easier
now.
though. Like I'm more on edge.
You're like the level. It's like if you took the happiness and anger level, and you just like like
so
now.
you're saying I'm more happy, but I'm also more angry?
Yeah.
But would you say I'm moodier more than I'm happy?
Well, moodier means you're just changing your mood all the time, right?
I
Do
guess.
I not know what moody means either?
I guess it's more like, am I chill or am I more moody?
You're more moody.
Okay.
I mean, you almost snapped over homemade tortillas yesterday. You were like
I
fierce.
didn't almost snap.
You just need to handle this.
Yeah, I said, can you just figure it out? Like, I need these tortillas. Why are you asking me?
I'm welding. I got Saturday and I got my phone here, and she's like, can you just figure it out? I'm like, what?
I don't see the issue there. That sounds like a normal thing. Anyways, that means girl. Okay, acne.
In the
Acne?
beginning, you had more.
My skin broke out like a high schooler in the very, very beginning, but then it kind of cleared up.
Now you're glowing.
Do you think I'm glowing?
I think so.
I don't see the
I
glow.
think the world sees it.
I would say I didn't have acne, because also I had to stop using my tretinoin cream, which could have also caused me to break out then.
Could have been that. Could have been that tretinoa. Is that
What-
what it's called?
what-
Tretinoa? What do you call it?
Tretinoin.
Tretinoin. Oh.
Yeah.
I wasn't knowing about the tretinoin.
So I'm going to say no to acne. So that would be boy. I'm really glad you're having a great time with yourself. What am I going to do with you? You've already have dad
It's that
humor.
tretinoa.
Pregnancy brain. Would you say I'm alert or I'm tired and clumsy?
Tired and clumsy.
Great. That means boy. And I feel like pregnancy brain, like, even right now, I was about to forget.
You're just very forgetful.
Yeah, I forget words, like what I'm trying to say.
Not usually forgetful either.
Okay, next is husband weight gain. Have you put on any pounds? Are you having pregnancy symptoms?
Yeah, I think so.
I would say so too.
I don't know if I've put on weight, maybe, but I definitely
You,
feel like I'm pregnant. I don't know.
yeah, you have
I stay up with
cravings.
you all night long.
He tosses and turns with me, and then you eat ice cream nonstop. Like every night you have to have.
Hey, I've cut back.
No,
Okay, I
I
haven't.
saw it. So if you gain weight, that means girl. The next one is heartbeat. If it's over 140 BPM or less. Do you remember your guess when you heard it, what it was? And you were way off? He
Yeah.
sat there and the
I
ultrasound
was
tech
listening
went
to
over
it.
and he's like, oh, that's 134. And she's
I was
like,
listening to it, but then
150.
I guess I didn't count lying it.
That means girl. If it's over 140, it's girl. If it's under 140, it's boy. The last one is the Chinese calendar, which I've already looked up, but I'm gonna look it up again. According to the ancient Chinese gender chart, you're having a girl.
I got a 50% chance of getting it right, generally, so.
I've had people message me and be like, you're having a boy because I craved this food and you craved it, but then someone was like, oh, you're definitely having a girl because I craved that same food. Like when I posted my vinegar cucumber salad thing, I'm growing your child. I'm growing the bones of your child right now.
Ooh, the bones.
What was that? That sounded like a weird, like you made that sexual or
No.
something. Yeah, you did.
No, I did not.
Mm-hmm.
But it's,
You went, ooh.
it's interesting. I don't know.
I told my mom, since she accidentally revealed the gender in that video, that I have to dye her hair, her whole head, the color. Trying to figure out a non-cringe way to do a gender reveal. I want to dye a chunk of his hair, and he says no, but everyone in my messages said that you should let me.
Okay.
So yeah?
Maybe.
Maybe means no. We do bump reveal.
Bump reveal, that's where we at. Whoa.
There's a baby in there. Can you believe
How
it?
exciting. Hello.
All right, guess what you think we're having in the comments, and we will reveal later this week when Jace lets me dye his hair.
We'll do a magic reveal.
And Lenny wants to come. Should we dye your hair, Lenny? Okay.
Yeah, let's dye all the dogs.
Christmas in fireside and a glamour kills hoodie. Reindeer don't play games in a mosh pit. It's a pop punk Christmas. It's a pop punk